How to log in to Doordash account. So if you want to log in to Doordash account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Doordash login, and after searching here you will have login Doordash on the second option. You can click on that and then it will take you to the web page or the website. So you have to choose your country, and after choosing that, here it will take you to the login page. Now to log into your account, first you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password and if you want to reset your password, then you can click on password recovery. Or if you don't have an account, then you can go to create account and then you can sign up to your Doordash. But to log in, you can go back and then you have to simply enter your credentials and then you can click on login, and that's it. That's the way to log into your Doordash account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.